YouTube. I'm over here in Banning, California. I'm just dropping a little small 30-foot travel trailer off, and I figured I'd get out, take a little video of it. I didn't get no video on the way up or hooking up, but I figured we could get some video going back. See, after you unhook some of the sights and everything put on here, see if we can't find something cool. There it is, 30-foot bumper pull Sportsman right there. And they're in here inspecting it right now. Pretty nice little bumper pull. Nice on it. I wonder if they get us on the inside, yo. We can't come in them when we hook up, but normally I like to ask. That way, if you're in the line of a market one, got a pretty big shower, toilet and everything. Got four beds back here in a little cabinet. There's your little kitchen. Look at the refrigerator. Pretty good sized refrigerator in it. Stove, microwave, sink. This right here is only a small bedroom for the master, but alright, I'm over here in Idaho now with the same camper, the Sportsman that we dropped off in California. The same one. I made a boo-boo and we had to fix the boo-boo. It's very important to look at the VINs. Very important. I had one number off. It was dark. I looked at it. My fault. Supposed to been going to California. Well, this one goes to Idaho. So I had to go back 45 miles, pick it back up, and bring it 903 miles over to Idaho. And we got over here today and we dropped it off. So to make a very good lesson is to check the VIN very good. It costs a lot of money and a lot of fuel out of my pocket, which is my fault. So I learned from my mistake. A rookie mistake, I reckon you could say. But I just want everybody to know that, you know, it's very important. One number was off, and look, in the middle of the night, it looked just like another number, and it was my mistake. So I got some good footage, yo. I'm gonna put it on here, and I'm supposed to head back to Tennessee.